Hello everyone. I'm sorry, just a minute. Okay, my name is Tulio Paixão de França. I'm living in the city of Cuiabá here in Brazil. You can see this pretty city here, this pretty town. So I'm working in a construction site here in the city, and I thought, well, I have a good situation that I can use to train my English skills, especially the speaking. So I figured that I can start this YouTube channel to train my English skills and to show everyone how a house is constructed here in Brazil with the Brazilian technologies. So I will talk about this construction and the steps. I will film the construction site and what we're making at that day. But today it's the first video of the series, and I'm at the home of my brother and his wife right now. So talking about the construction. We started to construct this house around 10 days ago in the last week, and we did a temporary installations. It's not like we have a storage to store the supplies of the construction and the equipments we use, and we also have a space to. It's not a kitchen. It's a space we have to eat our lunches and to drink water. We have a temporary water closet, a temporary bathroom, you can say, in the construction site, and we also dig the main hole of the construction and plan this hole, the soil, left in the soil in the level that will be the level of the first slab, the first floor of the house. So we dig and plan this first level in the last week, and in this week, we started to dig the shallow foundation and the grade beams. We started at the midday of Monday, and we finished this digging today, also in the midday. So we digged all these holes of the foundation and the grade beams in 2 complete days. A half day of the Monday, a complete day of the Tuesday, and also a half day of this Wednesday. So tomorrow I will test the compression of the shallow foundation. I have the equipment, but it's not here with me. It's in the car of my boss. So after test the compression of the shallow foundation, of the hole in the soil of this shallow foundation, if the result is good, we will start to make a bed concrete. I don't know the correct or technical name for this concrete, but it's a thin layer of concrete made with just a tiny part of cement. Then, when this thin layer of concrete will be dried, we will put the reinforcement bars, the reinforced steel bars. Every bar of this foundation is cut and folded in the correct length, and for the complete bar and the folds. So we did the cut and the fold for all the steel bars of the foundation, and we hold these steel bars with steel wire. All the bars, all the main bars of the shallow foundation has the diameter of 10 millimeters, and the wire of the steel wire we use to rope these bars has the diameter of I think it's 1.8 millimeters. Then we will put these reinforcement bars with a plastic, I don't know the correct name, but I think it's a separator to separate the steel and the thin layer of concrete. And then when we put the good concrete with that will be made in I don't know the name enough. I don't know if the correct name is factory, but the good concrete we use in the shallow foundation will enter below the reinforced steel bars. We will put this concrete in the next Wednesday. We marked the concrete for Wednesday at 2 p.m. It's the correct hour. And I claimed for 12 cubic meters for this foundation. Just to the foundation, will not use these 12 cubic meters for the neck that connect the foundation and the grade beams, and will not use this 12 cubic meters for the grade beams. So, and in the next weeks, when we put this concrete for the foundation, for the neck that connects the foundation and the grade beams, and for the grade beams, we will put out the forms of the concrete and splash and paint the concrete with a waterproof lining. It's an oil solution to separate the moist soil and the concrete. Then, when the soil solution that waterproofs the concrete, we will start to paste the bricks with cement paste. And I think it's good information for just the first video of the series, but I will show you tomorrow, and every day I will be in the construction site, and I think it will be a good series. I will show you in the next I will show you in the next days and the next weeks and the next month that this construction we will do in around 8 to 10 months. So I think it's good for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay? So bye bye.